Yo, what's up? What's up? Hope y'all are good today. Um, so great trade today. Great trade this morning. Overall, very satisfied with my performance for the week. Was able to secure some profits, always good. And we just keep it up. Keep it up. So basically today, what I saw is basically overall we saw that USD was pretty like in a range. We were ranging, the 4 last days. We had this big downtrend, made a lot of money here, and then to yesterday and today we were ranging in the same area. So for me, if I wanted to see initiative buying and we try to rally back to this level, I needed to see gold basically making a new POC. We did manage to make a new high, which is a sign of bullishness, but since anything can happen in the US session, you don't really need to rely on that to base your trade on. You really need to see confirmation of accepting higher prices. And as you can see, we never had that confirmation. POC never went up here. It could have, but the way USD was running exactly here, as you can see, we were like, we broke out this downtrend, which enabled me to see that, okay, you know what, USD isn't ready. Sorry, gold isn't ready to go to trade higher because USD will trade higher. And I automatically set myself a goal for USD. I went to check out the USD that allows me to see volume profile, and exactly in this pennant right here, I saw that POC was higher. So I said to myself, well, USD is trying to go back to POC. So, maybe it's important for us to do the same thing with gold. So bring it back to POC. So I'm going to zoom up so you guys can really see. So we had this breakout right now, right here. But when, we had this breakout, we just had this candle. So I waited for this breakout that happened before it really confirmed to me that we were, so we had a breakout on gold, but if you look at USD, that candle, we just, haven't, it doesn't give me insight. We had this next candle, and then we had this huge breakout right here. And at that moment, I didn't enter. I didn't have the chance to enter because I really wanted to see USD breakout to confirm that we're gonna trend higher. So I put my orders around these stops right here, and knew that we could have had a little pullback on USD before we trend higher, basically. So what happened is I entered on the few later on candles, as you can see. Let me show you. So right here was one, and then I think, yeah, right here was a second one, which was my perfect entry. Made really a difference in my trade. And then what I managed to do is I really saw this trend line, and I said to myself, well, look, USD is just that level here. USD was basically just trying to maintain, and then we had this huge wick, next wick, as you guys can see, and then I secured some of the trade right here. My TP was right here. My stop loss was higher than this, so my average was around this price right here. Had an average a 20 tick stop loss. Had one move 30 ticks right here, and another move that was 50 ticks below right here. So as you can see, what happened is we started trending, and then boom, first TP hit, and then the next confirmation that I needed to make sure to not get out is that we have a break of trend line. And so as you can see, USD here was hesitant for like 1, 2, 4 candles, and then automatically, we had this breakout, and boom, this really showed me that we were ready to trend higher. But we needed to USD to really show that we're trending higher. At that moment, I said to myself, well, you know what, let me secure some profits, and that's what I did. So I dipped out right here, secured, I think it was around 50 ticks. So, you know, 50 ticks right there, 30 ticks right there. Overall, great move, good performance. And as you can see, it's always good to see after what happened. I would have been stopped out right here. In USD, I would have been stopped out. There's probably news right now. I need to check it out. Yeah. Fed lowers minimum loan size in Main Street program to 100K. This means so you guys let me know if you have some questions, but it's always interesting, you know, like as you can see, you know, USD, the goal for USD was to reach its POC, which it did. Once it reaches POC, you don't know where the market is going to go. You don't know if there's going to be fresh sellers trying to push the price down, or fresh buyers, or even just a consolidation in that area. So once you see, you know, USD accept you know, reach back to POC, you should get out of your trade on the other correlated you know, product, because this correlated product is driven by, you know, the force or the weakness of USD. So if USD isn't moving, well, you're pretty in shit, and it's not gonna, you know, you're not gonna fulfill what you wanted to do. So as you can see, my TP, my you know, the home run I would have liked to take was 93 ticks, but I saw this gap in volume right here, and I said to myself, you know what, let's not be greedy. It's Friday, you know, you already have a beautiful move. Keep it that way. Alright guys, so this is you know, Sum Zero Holdings daily trading videos. Please like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for the support. Cheers.